It's like Christmas. Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. How's it going? You back to work yet? As much as it's been nice not having to work, I am missing my social life. As promised, for reaching 1,000 subscribers, I did say I was going to be doing a giveaway. I will be mentioning that at the end of this video. I'm gonna be chopping off my hair. I do really like this length right now, but it's not a pixie. Now my mom is gonna probably be really upset, and actually my boyfriend surprisingly was okay with it. Now that salons are finally open, I can actually go do it. So I reached out to my hairstylist and then asked her how much it would cost to dye it a platinum blonde. It was gonna cost around like $250, so that was it. So I asked her to just give me a pixie cut because I'm gonna be dyeing my hair at home. This is a disclaimer. I am in no way a hairstylist. I have dyed my hair in the past several times, well, mostly red, but I guess this would be the first time I'm bleaching my own hair. My hair is probably about a level 4. I did a lot of research first before I actually purchased these products. So what I would recommend is do your own research and then figure out how and which products you want to use. Echo's super chirpy and my dogs are running all over the place. It's so far taken me 45 minutes to try to get through an introduction. I guess that's what happens when you have a house full of animals. Now Dante wants to be in the video. What's up, buddy? What's up? No licking. You're gonna wreck my makeup. So we're gonna do an unboxing of my platinum kit. So I ordered these products online, and I have never heard of this website before. This website is called Matte and Max. They actually have a whole wide range of products and brands on their website for very affordable prices. They also do have, if you sign up with their newsletter or subscribe to their website, you do get 10% off your first purchase. If you dye your hair on a regular basis, why not try it? So let's jump into this video, shall we? Oh, okie dokie, sounds perfect. I thought there was product in there. So first thing is BABYLISS Pro Reusable latex gloves. You obviously need something to protect your hands. Got a tube squeezer because I never seem to get all the product out of those tubes when I just do it myself. Actually, let's see what this looks like. I'm very curious. Yeah. Just put your tube in there, tighten her up, and then roll. I think it's pretty cool. Next is a brush, BABYLISS Pro. I didn't want the plastic one because I do need to separate my hair when you're bleaching, and I feel like metal does the job properly, so. This is what the brush looks like, metal tip, and it actually has a pretty good grip on it. That will come in handy. Seems pretty good. And I got myself a mixing bowl. This one was $4.99, guys. It suctions onto your counter. Yeah, it works. That one's a BABYLISS Pro as well. Next is BLONDME Bond Enforcing Premium Lightener 9+ Dust Free Powder. Lifts up to 9 levels. I was just gonna go to Sally's Beauty and buy the L'Oreal stuff because that's what everybody uses. But then I saw this sucker and I watched a lot of YouTube videos and there are a lot of good results with this. So crossing my fingers. There's no price on this thing. And I didn't even get a receipt in there to see how much exactly I spent. It's on sale right now. Sorry, everything I purchased is on sale right now. Then I went with a 20 developer as well from BLONDME. I was gonna do the 30 volume. I was really scared, so I didn't do it. If I need to, I can always just re-bleach a couple spots if I miss it. I'm gonna be bleaching onto my virgin hair, so I don't think it's gonna be that big of an issue, and it's gonna be a pixie. I think it'll be fine. Well, I guess if it goes wrong, I can always just shave my head off, right? Already halfway there. This is a Welloxon Perfect Cream Developer, Pastel 1+2 1.9 6 volume developer. So this is what I'm gonna be using for toning my hair. I did not want to use a 20 developer for toning my hair after I have bleached it possibly twice. Got this little sucker. And then the toners that I am using are ILLUMINA color in 10/69 and 9/60. So 10/69 is the lightest blonde. 9/60 is very light blonde. We'll see how this goes. That is the end of the box. You know, just a small little kit to see if this is actually gonna work. So obviously that I have all these products at home, you know, I'm probably gonna be doing a video of me bleaching my hair for your guys' entertainment. Like, this could go completely wrong or it could turn out great. So keep an eye out for that video. Alright guys, I guess it is that time for me to talk about my giveaway. If you did not watch my last video, I mentioned that I did reach 1,000 subscribers, and I thank you guys again so much for that. But I wanted to do something to give thanks and my appreciation to you guys. So when I was looking for gifts, I was looking at brushes, palettes, and all the shebang, and then I was like, someone gonna like this one, is someone gonna like that? I'm not 100% sure. What do I do? Then I started thinking, it's COVID-19 right now. I'm pretty sure that mailing is gonna take forever. And second of all, you probably don't want something that I've been touching and then you get it in your house, and we just all want to be super safe. Then it dawned on me that you can send e-gift cards through email. As well, you can get it really quick and you can start your shopping. So the winner will be receiving a $50 Sephora gift card. I was gonna do it for Morphe, but for some reason on their website, both Canadian and US, I can't find the link for the e-gift card. Sephora also have Morphe products on their website, and there are a couple of palettes that are on sale. But if you're also not into Morphe, you can pick something else for your liking. That's another reason why I wanted to do an e-gift card, because you can get whatever you want, not something that I have picked out for you. No, it's not a whole lot, but going on with COVID right now, everyone is struggling, including myself. I just wanted to give a little bit of something out there to say thank you. I'm sure in the future when I'm back to work and hopefully my channel grows, some of these gifts for giveaways will be a whole lot better. So the gift card will be $50 Canadian. I know if you are in the States, you're like, what's going on? The Sephora gift card can be used in the States. It'll just be an exchange rate, and usually Sephora will automatically do that for you. So what are the rules, you're probably wondering, to get this giveaway? Well, so this giveaway contest is going to be going all the way to the 24th, 12 o'clock at midnight. So there are only 3 rules to enter for this giveaway. 1, you have to leave a comment down below this video and tell me what your favorite animal is. 2, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And 3, you have to be following me on my Instagram account. When you're leaving a comment down below to let me know what your favorite animal is, please let me know that you have subscribed and that you are following on my Instagram. Let me know the animal as well on there on my latest photo. Again, this contest is going till Sunday, May 24th and ends at 12 a.m. midnight. Good luck, guys. Anyways, I'm out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, and I will let you know when I'm gonna be dyeing my hair on Instagram. See you later.